Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Happn app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you have already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn apps on in the screen, where you can see the profile picture at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture, and now you can see the edit my profile at the top left corner of this screen, just down below of your username. So simply tap on that option, and now you can see there is no any options over here to change your name on Happn. If you still enter in or tap on the verify my profile, which is at the bottom, then you can see there is, okay, let me tap on the create your profile as well. And now you can see it is asking us to give a photo, but there is no any options to change profile picture. So let's get back, and now if you want to tap on the preview your profile, which is at the top right corner, then you can see there is no any option to change your name as well from here. So if you are new and if you have just downloaded, then what you can do is you simply need to get back, and now get to the profile, and you can see the settings option just down below of this screen. So once you tap on it, you can see my data at the bottom of your profile picture. So just tap on the my data, and you need to tap on the delete my account, and you need to delete your account so that you can change your name again. So basically this is how, and this is the way to change your name on Happn app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.